Lava Storm 5G to launch in India on December 21st, price and specs tipped. As per teasers shared by the homegrown brand on X, formerly Twitter, the Lava Storm 5G is set to launch in India on December 21st. The company has introduced a dedicated microsite on both its website and Amazon India, generating anticipation for the upcoming handset. Notably, posters and videos accompanying the teasers reveal that the 5G smartphone will feature a dual rear camera unit. Lava Storm 5G design. As far as the design of the Lava Storm 5G is concerned, the rear design showcases three circular-shaped rings housing camera sensors and an LED flash, arranged vertically in the left corner. The Lava Storm 5G is observed with a power button on the left spine, which may potentially function as a fingerprint scanner as well. The microsite hints at color options, suggesting black and green choices for the upcoming device. Lava Storm 5G price in India, key specs tip. On X, tipster Mukul Sharma revealed the Lava Storm 5G in its black color variant. The anticipated price of the upcoming smartphone in India is below 15,000 rupees. As per the tip, the phone's specifications include a MediaTek Dimensity 6080 processor, contributing to its overall performance. The Lava Storm 5G is expected to come with 8GB of RAM, which will be expandable up to 16GB for additional storage flexibility. The camera setup is fit to feature an 8MP ultrawide angle lens. Lava yuva 3 Pro also launched recently. This month, the smartphone brand introduced the Lava yuva 3 Pro, succeeding the yuva 2 Pro, and it is priced at 8,999 rupees for the sole variant with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. The Lava yuva 3 Pro features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display, offering a 90Hz refresh rate and incorporating a punch hole cutout for the front camera. The phone is powered by the unique B616 octa-core processor and is paired with 8GB RAM. The camera setup includes a 50MP primary sensor with LED flash and an AI secondary sensor, enhancing photography capabilities. It is equipped with an 8MP front camera. The device houses a 5000 mAh battery and supports 18W fast charging technology.